All right, here's an update on the street legal TTR. Got my supervisor here, making sure I do all this wiring correctly. So this started out as just a electric start TTR 125 LE, and I was able to get a plate for it, which means I have to wire up everything myself. Made a new ground for the headlight and all this stuff up here, like the horn, the turn signals, and then still got some wiring to do here, as you can see. But I have these two wires which are going to go to my brake switch, which, yeah, gotta clean up some stuff. Like this is the I ran this yesterday. This is the stop light, the running light, and both turn signals for the back, so I have to connect those here. They come out there, gotta connect those there. Am I doing it right? Make some labels for this stuff, because it seems like every time I come back to work on something like my wife's street legal 110, the wires kind of all look the same and can't really tell where anything goes. So other things I have to do, really. Yeah, switch is wired in, so this switch controls all the electronics except for the headlight. The headlight's its own thing, which I can shut it off right there. Clean up all the wiring, make it look good, add some labels, and should be good to go.
What is that, a 400, 450 or something?
500.
You're fucking badass.
Dude.
You must get some killer footage with the camera, huh?
Every now and then. Most of it's pretty boring, to be honest. Pretty much gone. There's like minimal confidence in the front right. Let's try it again. Cool. Go. I think it's working. That's pretty great. It's working. That is awesome, man. Uh-oh. Oh no, there it is. Oh, it got me. Sick. Oh no, it's just returning to home. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel it. that's awesome. Well, oh, it got me. Sick. Oh no, it's just returning to home.